Hi, I'm working on a small dovetail box, and for this box I'm using a lot of rather small, delicate tails for the dovetails. The small tails are resulting in small, I don't know what you call them, the channels between the pins are just too small for my chisel. This is an 1/8 inch chisel, smallest one I have, and it's just the chisel's too big. Now I know I can buy smaller detailed chisels. I'd really like to get some blue spruce detail chisels. They sell 1/16 inch and smaller chisels, but those are at least $70. I need one now. It takes at least a month to get those from the website. So I think I'm going to try making my own chisel. And that's what this video is about. I'm sacrificing this small screwdriver to the effort. Now, I know that screwdrivers don't make the best chisels. I'm pretty sure the metal is not hardened. But this only has to get me through this this one box, and I'm going to be able to continuously strop the bevel. So I think it should work fine. And this is a very small chisel, so I think it's going to work fine. I already did a test with it. I flattened the back, put a bevel on, and it seemed to work okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it to the grinder to flatten these sides more or less. Then I'm going to take this to my polishing stones to get a mirror finish on the back, and then reapply the bevel, and then see how it works. I normally sharpen my tools freehand, but for such a small chisel, I say that in quotation marks, this being a chisel, but I think it'll be useful to use my jig. Okay, let's give this a shot. Really don't have to put much pressure on this. Now the final step is my polishing stone. I might drop this too, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think this is pretty good. It's about as good as I can get. And of course, this is not the best metal, so it's really hard to get an edge that's gonna keep itself. But well, let's try it on some pine, see how it cuts. Well, I think that's pretty good. Certainly enough for what I need. Not bad for a screwdriver. Well, I'd say this was a success. It cuts beautifully. Now certainly the edge doesn't hold up very well because obviously this is not hardened steel, and who knows what steel it is anyway. But I have my strop, and if I strop it 6 to 10 times, I have a nice beautiful edge again, and I can do some nice cutting. It'll certainly work for me for now. I still think I'll put in an order for a nice blue spruce chisel. Get some of that nice steel. Of course, a better handle than this. So anyway, don't neglect your screwdrivers. They can do more than just open paint cans. Thanks for stopping by.